Did you know there's an essential oil that acts like your clinical aromatherapy superhero, tackling pain, calming nerves, and giving your skin a glow up? Nope, it's not a unicorn. It's Copaiba Essential Oil. Stick around, holistic health and wellness fans, because we're about to unlock every secret about this golden elixir for natural remedies that your favorite essential oils brands, DoTerra, Young Living, and Simply Earth, can't stop raving about. One of the reasons Copaiba is so effective is because of its unique composition. Unlike other essential oils, which are usually extracted from a single plant or herb, Copaiba is extracted from the resin of the Copaiba tree. This gives it a unique blend of compounds that work together to provide a range of benefits. Let's start with the basics. What is Copaiba used for, and why does it have aromatherapy fans jumping for joy? Spoiler: it's way more than just a pretty scent. Copaiba oil comes from the resin of the Copaiba tree, native to South America. The tree is tapped much like a maple tree, and the resin is collected and distilled into the essential oil we use today. Indigenous communities have relied on this oil for centuries as their go-to for pain relief, wound care, and calming inflammation. It's like nature's first aid kit in a bottle. But what really sets Copaiba apart is its superstar chemical makeup. Enter beta-caryophyllene, a terpene that interacts with your endocannabinoid system. Yes, the same system CBD taps into. This connection helps calm overactive neurotransmitters, reduce pain, and soothe inflammation. Why is Copaiba oil called a wellness multitasker? Because it can do everything short of paying your bills. 1. Pain relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a top essential oil for pain relief. From sore muscles to chronic aches, Copaiba is your DIY masseuse. 2. Anxiety relief. Feeling like a stress ball? Copaiba oil is one of the best essential oils for anxiety. It promotes relaxation by calming your nervous system, leaving you zen AF. 3. Skin savior: acne, eczema, or scars. This oil helps regenerate skin cells and reduce redness. 4. Immune booster. Its antimicrobial properties make it a natural ally against bacteria and viruses. 5. Oral health hero. Copaiba oil can freshen breath, fight bacteria, and soothe gum inflammation. 6. Hair growth hero. The antioxidants in Copaiba oil promote healthy hair growth and reduce dandruff and itchiness. Science class is in session. Let's dive into the research that backs up why Copaiba is a must-have in your wellness routine. 1. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief properties. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that beta-caryophyllene, a major constituent in Copaiba oil, interacts with the CB2 receptors in the endocannabinoid system, reducing inflammation and pain without psychoactive effects. Research also indicates that beta-caryophyllene has potential for managing conditions like arthritis and chronic pain by soothing overactive inflammatory responses. 2. Skin healing benefits. A 2018 study in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine demonstrated Copaiba oil's ability to accelerate wound healing in animal models. The antimicrobial properties of the oil also protect wounds from infections, supporting its traditional use as a first aid remedy. 3. Oral health. A study published in Clinical Oral Investigations explored Copaiba oil's antimicrobial effects, particularly against Streptococcus mutans, a bacteria linked to cavities. This suggests that Copaiba can be a natural alternative for maintaining oral hygiene and reducing gum inflammation. 4. Neurological and emotional benefits. The impact of beta-caryophyllene on the CB2 receptors has also been linked to mood regulation. A 2014 study in neuropsychopharmacology found that this compound may help alleviate anxiety and depressive symptoms by reducing stress-related inflammation in the brain. 5. Antioxidant activity. A 2020 review in Antioxidants highlighted Copaiba oil's rich antioxidant profile, which helps neutralize free radicals. This not only reduces oxidative stress but also slows aging and supports overall cellular health. Hey everyone, I could really use your help. This is a tiny channel struggling to survive. Please consider liking this video and subscribing. Consider it your good deed of the day. Also, if you want to see more content like this, check out the link in the description for discounts on a few goodies I've picked out just for you. I'm not going to lie, I need that affiliate money to keep doing this. I appreciate your support. Now back to the show. Want to elevate your essential oil blends? Copaiba is the Beyoncé of essential oils. It harmonizes with everyone. Here's how Copaiba shines in different scent families for your diffuser blends and essential oil recipes. Tree oils, cedarwood, sandalwood and frankincense deepen its grounding properties. Floral oils, lavender, ylang-ylang and geranium add calming and skin-loving benefits. Herbal oils, rosemary and basil amplify focus and immune support. Citrus oils, sweet orange, lemon and bergamot uplift and energize your blends. Now it's time to get your hands dirty, metaphorically, with these DIY hacks featuring Copaiba. Looking for a natural pain reliever without all the chemicals? Here's a recipe for a DIY pain-relieving oil. 2 tablespoons pomegranate seed oil, 10 drops Copaiba oil, 5 drops peppermint oil, 5 drops eucalyptus. Oil massage this onto sore muscles for instant relief. Have you ever wanted to make your own natural mouthwash? Well, you're in luck. Here's the recipe. 1 cup aloe vera juice, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3 drops Copaiba oil, 3 drops peppermint oil. Swish and shine. Your dentist will be proud. If you want a first aid ointment with ingredients a 5-year-old can understand, I've got you covered. 2 tablespoons shea butter, 5 drops Copaiba oil, 3 drops tea tree oil, 3 drops lavender oil, perfect for cuts, scrapes and irritated skin. Lastly, we have an all-purpose cleaner that's safe enough to use around babies. Here's the recipe. 1 cup lavender hydrosol, 1/4 cup white vinegar, 10 drops Copaiba oil, 10 drops lemon oil spray and wipe for a sparkling, toxin-free home. Let's get nerdy for a sec, because understanding the science behind Copaiba will make you appreciate it even more. The secret sauce, beta-caryophyllene, BCP. BCP works with your CB2 receptors, part of your endocannabinoid system, to reduce pain and inflammation without psychoactive effects, unlike its cousin THC. It also stimulates dopamine production, enhancing mood and reducing anxiety. Bonus: its antioxidant properties fight free radicals, slowing down aging. Copaiba oil isn't just another pretty face in the essential oil world. It's a natural powerhouse ready to transform your health, skin, and even your cleaning routine. Don't just take my word for it. Give these DIYs a try and let Copaiba work its magic. If you found this guide helpful, watch this video to learn more about the amazing benefits of Palo Santo essential oil. See you next time.